So today I got a friend from Staten Island who swung by. He's a huge car enthusiast, huge F1 enthusiast. He goes to Tail of the Dragon twice a year, like religiously, since he was, I don't even know, for the longest time. He owns a Fiat 500 Abarth with a bigger turbo, tuned up, and an Alfa Romeo 4C. He's never been in an RSX. In this video, I'm going to take him for his first ride in my RSX, which is full bolt-ons and tuned. So go ahead, watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Drop a comment. I might be selling the RSX or giving it away. If you haven't yet, I'll have another video up here that you can see and learn more about that.
Now it is.
Now, I thought I had that shit recording the whole time.
Now we're recording.
Alright, we were talking about the value of a car like an RSX, or just, you know, these JDM cars, I feel like they're going to increase in value in time.
As soon as more electric cars
exactly
get on the road, more people
are going to want more driver enthusiast cars like this.
10s, 12s, everything.
Even just like this, a four-banger, the K series, which in RSX it's hard to find in decent condition. They're either beaten up or just modded, like really just not in good condition.
So the price of these cars are going to go up because everyone's going to want them, because there's going to be nothing but electric cars on the road and everyone wants this.
They want something fun, engaging.
So the sellers are going to take advantage and bump those prices up.
So I'm not too worried about it. I would love to keep it. I think it's an amazing car. It's just I got too many projects already.
Yeah, so many cars, it's too much. It's too much to keep up with.
You can hear that drone when you're giving it throttle,
this
like 4th
nice
and 5th. But yeah, you gotta wait until I bring it up to like 9,000. It's just crazy because it wants to keep going and going and going. This factory is like 8, but for me,
8. That's nice.
The way it's tuned, it's like a hair below 9, basically 9. I think 9, it's like 8. Yeah, it's basically 9,000, and it makes the power all the way up to 9,000 basically.
The shift is cool too. I like the shift. I like how it's all exposed like that.
Yeah, once I put this in, because this is one of the mods that I did myself after I bought it. He had an aftermarket, not factory. He had an aftermarket. It was really fucking wobbly. It was not good.
Did you change it out?
So I just changed it to this one. He had a plastic box one, and it just wasn't well.
That's alright though, you know, who needs a shift knob, you know? Why you just going to 100 miles an hour?
How does she feel?
She feels strong. She feels really strong. And every time you put it into gear, you felt that bang. That was nice. It's like confirmation it's in gear. I love that sound. It's like pure race car.
It's nothing like a K series.
I love it, I love it.
5th gear, 5,000 RPM, like it just goes, it wants to go.
I love the exhaust. So good. You got some nice roads over here.
Yeah, not too shabby.
Way better than Staten Island, I'll tell you that. And even if you go on the highways in Staten Island, there's nothing but traffic.
So right now, what are we at? Oh yeah, we're good now. In the next hour and a half or so, that's when traffic's gonna get real bad over here.
That's I like it.
Yeah, it's got the motor mounts. You can feel everything. It's vibrating. The whole world is shaking.
When I put those motor mounts in my car, am I gonna feel this?
If that's what you're doing, I don't know, man. Is that what you're doing? The transmission mounts, motor mounts, everything mounts?
I'm doing the engine and the trans mount.
You're gonna be more shaky like this. Vibrations everywhere. It might not be as bad. This car's a little. Well, what year is
it? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be like this.
It won't be as bad.
I'm gonna have my own personal back massager.
Right? It's already hard enough.
This is cool. I like this car. It's nice. It's spacious. It's fun. Sounds good. How many miles are on this?
143. It's up there, but for a K series, it's honestly not a lot. You know what I mean?
These engines are bulletproof.
That's what I'm saying. For a K series, it's not a lot. Any other car sounds like a lot.
This is nice. The interior is very clean too.
Yeah, besides a little bit of wear over here, which
Yeah, but
that's understandable with the 143,000.
That's a steering wheel. That's fine.
Other than that, he kept this in great condition.
The dash itself is nice.
For 143,
there's no cracks.
yeah.
The seats are nice.
Yeah. It's
Very
a
beautiful.
great vehicle in great condition, modified properly, ready for a turbo as well. That's what I was going to do, but I didn't. Never wants to go into second. I always got to double it. Second always wants to lock me out.
Oh, really? You got to double clutch it?
It's not even double clutch. It's just like I put it in and I'll downshift. I'll rev match, but it won't go in. And that's why you hear me do it again.
Right.
Because it won't go in the first time. I'll rev match, but it won't go in.
Feels nice.
It's fun. It's fun. It sounds awesome. I got the car. When the hell did I get the car? I can't remember now. I don't even know. It might have been close to 2 years, but I don't drive it
I was
much.
going to say like about a year and a half, 2 years.
I was going to say about a year and a half. I think it was October. So I don't know. About a year and a half to 2 years. I don't drive it much. It stays under the cover. I want the turbo. Now that I'm not, I just don't drive it much.
Yeah. Now for your other 124, you have everything. You have everything for that car right now.
Those two packages in front of the door that you saw is most of the products. I just need a little bit more. I had a dude in California. He went MIA with me. He owed me like $4,000 worth of parts, and he went MIA for a fucking month. And I was getting worried, but luckily the guy, I know someone in Cali who kept telling him, and he got the stuff shipped to me.
Nice.
But yeah, I just need very little things. Some of the stuff is like annoying, expensive shit, like a digital dash, because we can't wire up a fucking Honda engine to work with the factory cluster. So that digital dash alone is like over $1,000, and those are things that like I forgot to think about. So there is, it's adding up.
Those downshifts are crisp.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Crazy. Thing pulls
Spin,
hard.
spin, spin.
Now, out of the hole, you think this is quicker than the 124?
I don't know, man. I'm telling you, like,
The way your 124 is right now, compared to this.
this just has, it's got a lot more top end.
Think so?
You just don't, I'm telling you, the one, okay, so I've done, like I said, my 4200 with Draggy,
Yeah.
and they are both in the mid 9s, but I think if you were to put them side by side, I think
Not from a
the
dead,
124 will
not
maybe
from a dead
go,
stop, because some people,
no, I know,
they
no,
mess up,
from a roll,
From a roll, like
I
20
think the
mile-
124 might take a half a car head start, because once the turbo boost kicks in, it'll kind of jump up, and then by the time this gets close to the red line on that first shift, I think it's going to go ahead. That's my opinion.
That's a good theory.
I think the 124 is going to go ahead half a car, and then the RSX will slowly pull ahead by half a car, if not more. Once I go
This car does feel
85, then
strong.
maybe.
It does feel strong. That exhaust, I can't get over it. It sounds so good.
It's nice.
It is.
It's nice.
I'm really impressed by the interior of this car.
Especially being an 06 with 143,000 miles, you know?
Oh, this is an 06.
It's a 2006 with 143,000 miles. It's not too bad.
Oh, she got a nice straightaway right now. Well, here we go.
didn't feel too great right there.
Little brake fade.
I'll make a right on the side street, and then you could pull back and do some driving around here. See how you think it compares. Typical Honda fashion. Rev the fucking piss out of it.
Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, look how low it is.